Cowboy slop, camp slop, whatever you want to call it. It's good stuff.
That's where it's at.
Alright, we're out at Sam Rayburn. First night, caught a few fish earlier. We got here and fished a few hours and caught 3, I think. Now we're making Camp Slop. Here you go, I'll document this for us.
Do it.
Let them know what we're doing here. This is deer meat. We're gonna brown that deer meat. And then we're gonna add some ranch style beans, some canned corn, drained, and some rotel. We'll add that once this beef's done cooking, get it hot. I usually do this with beef and call it cowboy slop. This is our camp slop.
Yeah.
We got our meat brown there, so we're gonna go ahead and add the ranch style beans. Hang on to that. I'm gonna knock it off our little cook stove. That's a nifty little device.
Oh yeah.
We'll stir those in. Got that stirred in. Now we'll add some great value whole kernel corn. I like this corn. Great value does pretty good on this. Nice.
Boom.
Stir that in. All right. Now let's add some rotel. We don't usually do these videos on our channel, but we don't usually camp either,
So boom.
now this is a cooking show.
Kent Rollins eat your heart out.
Right now they're asking, this is a fishing channel, shouldn't you be cooking fish?
That's tomorrow and the rest of the week.
Yeah.
Wait till we make fish jambalaya.
There you go. All right. Cowboy slop, camp slop, whatever you want to call it. It's good stuff.
That's where it's at. Better than McDonald's.
Look at him, dude. He's just like, hey.
So you know your slop's good when the raccoon comes right up to the table.